how to add dates to your rides. Hi, I'm Muriel, and with Crazy Rides, Johan and I want to share the fun of road tripping with you. As I told you in the video how to use the Crazy Rides planning tool, you have the option to add a date to your ride on which you want to be doing that ride. If you haven't watched that video, I do recommend you to watch it first. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the dates to your rides, as the Crazy Rides planning tool will then generate a scheme, a travel scheme, that is useful for booking your accommodation. As I will be using the same example as I used in the video how to use the Crazy Rides planning tool, I want to start with a chocolate and beer tour. Ride 1. So I click Start with Ride 1. Now in the pop-up screen I want to add the date, and because I know, for example, that I can get March 25th off to get to Bruges, I want to be doing this ride on March 26th. As I want to combine this ride of the Chocolate and Beer Tour with the ride of the Clogs and Windmills Tour, I'm clicking Add More Rides. You can get to the page of the Clogs and Windmills Tour by going back to the tours and the map, or even here to the tour page, but I can also use the shortcut as this is a related tour with a one-day connection. I want to do ride 1 of the Clogs and Windmills, so I click Add Ride 1. The Crazy Rides planning tool now asks me if I want to add this connection route, which I want. As I know I want to spend March 27th, my birthday, in Bruges, and go from Bruges to Haarlem on March 28th, I want to do this ride 1 of the Clogs and Windmills tour on March 29th. I also want to add ride 3 of the Clogs and Windmills tour, so I can show you what the card looks like if you use all the options. So I click Add More Rides, add ride 3, and add the date, March 30th. This is the road trip I want to go on, so I click on the button Go to Cart. Because I have added dates to the rides, the cart checkout overview also has the itinerary, including the free day I've added on March 27th, and it says I have a free day on March 28th. If you want to use this option of the planning tool by adding dates, you have to bear in mind that you have to take a free day for your connection route. You can only add dates to your real rides. To finalize this order, I can add a discount code or gift voucher code, fill in my details, choose my method of payment, and place my order. After logging into your account, you can find an overview of your orders. And in this case, you can see I've got 2 orders, one with dates, one without. If you go to this order with the dates, you see that this overview will show you the dates that we've added as well. We will show you how to use the contents of your Crazy Rides road trip in another video that you can also find in the menu How To videos. If you still have any questions, you can always contact us by email or through our contact page in the menu, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to know what the content of your order is and how to use it, watch the video in the middle of your screen. And if you want to help us in our mission to share the tips, tricks and fun of road tripping with as many bikers out there as possible, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.